Today I'm going to be making cookies. 4 tablespoons equals 1/4 cup of butter. 8 teaspoons equals 1/4 pound, which equals 1/2 cup. So I'm going to be putting both sticks of butter in the bowl because 2 sticks of butter equals 1 cup. Next, I'm going to get 1 cup of brown sugar. Should I pour it in? Okay.
We could stick the cup in there and if it fits. Almost. Maybe you dump it now.
No. A little bit of assistance. Doesn't hurt anybody.
Next, we need 1/2 cup of granulated sugar.
Make sure it's full.
We just added 2 eggs. Now I need to do 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Good job.
Next, I'm going to add 2 cups of flour. Now I'm going to add 2 cups of flour.
No, don't pack it.
Yes, it should be packed. It should not be loose. Actually, the correct way to do it, excuse me.
Is with a knife.
That's right.
Let him do it.
Like that, okay?
Okay.
So the next time you do it with the second cup, you're going to take it and go like that into the bag.
Thanks for the assistance.
Pack it, you say. How little you know about baking. Right into the bag. Or the counter.
Oops. Sorry, I'll clean that up.
That's okay.
Next, I need to add 1 teaspoon of, should I rinse this?
Baking soda.
Baking soda.
No, because it's going to go in there, so. Oh. Oops. That's good enough. And what else?
Now I need to add 1/2 teaspoon.
But how much is this?
It's a teaspoon, but we don't
So
have
what-
a half.
So what are you gonna do?
I need to watch very carefully to get it right at the half.
Halfway. Good.
Halfway.
Not over the bowl. Because I could see salt going all in there. Slow. That looks about right to me. All right. Time to mix.
Okay. Next, I'm going to be mixing 1.5 cups of chocolate chips.
Can you do 5 cups?
You could do 2 cups. So if he wants to do more, he can do more. Okay, fill it more. That's not a full cup.
Is that good?
I'd say that's about a cup, yeah.
Mm-hmm.